Learning software engineering or system design shouldn't feel like a random maze. Months are routinely lost to scattered tutorials and half-finished playlists with zero results. But not anymore. Welcome to CrackLab, your personal AI-powered engineering mentor. Here, you get customized AI roadmaps. Just type your goal, and CrackLab builds a fully structured visual learning path tailored for you. Every single topic is meticulously broken down into 7 precise sections. No raw theory, just hands-on first execution, production realities, and core interview insights. Don't just read, test your knowledge. Interactive quizzes challenge you after every module, making your concepts crystal clear on the spot. And when it's time to build your career, our simulated interview mode prepares you to clear the toughest system design and coding rounds flawlessly. Stuck on a complex code base or architecture? Ask your 24/7 AI mentor any technical question and get instant deep dive solutions. Have a massive YouTube lecture or engineering deep dive you want to process? Paste the link and let CrackLab synthesize it into an organized visual roadmap in seconds. Run code instantly right inside your workspace. Our built-in code playground lets you translate system theory into practical scripts without any environment setup. Track your learning consistency, hit milestones, and earn industry-recognized CrackLab certificates to validate your engineering expertise. From interactive roadmaps to interview prep, everything you need is here. Join CrackLab today and supercharge your engineering growth. CrackLab, crack your potential.